Hey everybody, have you ever wanted to let chat draw on your screen, but kind of in a, I guess, more pixelated route? Well, I've got the extension for you. I've sort of replicated our place on my stream. People just do !draw 00 and then a hex color. So like boo. And there you go. It is a 8x8 grid and people can draw whatever they want on it just using chat. If you want to get this set up for your stream, stay tuned and we'll show you how it goes. So if you haven't watched my how to set up a custom widget, please watch that. It'll explain what's going on and you'll be ready to go. But the first thing that I always do in these videos is I make a completely new overlay. You don't have to, we just do this to create a new custom widget. And then you'll go to my GitHub, which is github.com/swolecat/se-widgets. And today we are looking at chat draws pixels. So you'll just start copying these files over. And you hit done. And as you can see, we have our little grid right here. So if we do, we'll do draw this. So if I do !draw this 00f, then it will work. So keep in mind, your viewers will need to do whatever your command is, followed by the X coordinate, followed by the Y coordinate, followed by a valid CSS color, be this hex or some of the words. I hope you guys found this fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will catch you guys later. Bye.